Dear students, today I shall discuss about equipotential surface. Equipotential surface, class 12 physics, second chapter. Equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? Equi means equal, potential means potential. That means a surface having potential every places is same. A surface whose every point potential is equal, this is called the equipotential surface. Like this way, you see, suppose there is a charge, and surrounding this charge, say there is a at a distance say 5 centimeter, you would draw a charge, you would draw a sphere, you can draw a sphere. Say this is positive charge plus q. Then direction of electric field will be like this way. This will be the direction of electric field. Then this will be a equipotential surface. If you draw another sphere, this is another equipotential surface, because in this surface at every point potential will be same. In this surface, in this sphere at its surface the potential will be same. So this is a equipotential surface, this is another equipotential surface. Like this way you can draw so many equipotential surfaces. Clear? Equipotential surface means a surface whose every point potential is same or equal. So you see, if this distance is r from this to this, so here potential will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, this. So there, this is also at this point will also be this, at this point, every point it will be this one. So this is a equipotential surface. Suppose this is r dash. So what will be potential? B dash equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash. So in its surface at every point potential will be this. So these are the equipotential surface. Clear? Now equipotential surface has different properties. Equipotential surface, in equipotential surface, if a charge move from one point to another point, there will be no work done. Suppose this is a equipotential surface and a charge is taken from this point to this point. This is equipotential surface. A charge is taken from point A to B. Then what will be the work done? WAB. Work done means Q, suppose plus Q charge is taken, Q into BA minus BB. But these two are equipotential, means equal potential. So these two are equal, so their difference is 0. So Q into 0, so equal to 0. So in equipotential surface, if a charge is taken from one point to another point, no work will be done. And another point is, in equipotential surface, electric field will be perpendicular to the surface. That means this electric field perpendicular to this. This is perpendicular to this. This is perpendicular to this. This is perpendicular to this. Perpendicular. So perpendicular to the surface. If this is equipotential surface, so electric field will be perpendicular to this. This is electric field, this is surface, so this angle is 90 degree. Clear? From this you can show that WAB equal to 0. What is W? F, force into displacement. Suppose this displacement is dx. Suppose this is dx. 0. Now what is F? And dot product is cos theta. So QE dx cos theta equal to 0 means cos theta equal to 0 means theta equal to 90 degree. So what is the angle? Angle between the E and dx. Dx will be on the surface and E will be perpendicular to this. Clear? Work done A to B 0. Suppose AB is dx this. F is equal to Q into E. So this dot product is cos theta. So cos theta equal to 0. Cos 9 value of cos 90 is 0. So theta equal to 90 degree. Clear? And also equipotential surfaces tells it can compare the electric field where is more or less. Suppose you have got like this equipotential surface. Here you see. Suppose you have got like this one, this way, and you have taken a point here. Say this is A, here this is B. Now question is where electric field is more, at point A or at point B. For this you use this relation. E equal to minus dV by dr or dx, anything. So what you are getting? dV is constant, so E proportional to dr. That means dr E inversely proportional. So where distance is more, distance means distance between two equipotential surface is more, electric field is less, inversely proportional. Now you see these two, between these two equipotential surface distance is more, dr is more, here dr is less, here dr is less, so electric field is more, here dr is more, so electric field is less, inversely proportional. If dr is more, electric field will be less, so dr is more, electric field less. When dr is less, electric field will be more, here dr is less, so electric field will be more. So electric field at point A will be more than the electric field at point B. Clear? And also the equipotential surface says the direction of the electric field. Equipotential surface will be always towards the decreasing potential. Decreasing potential. Where potential decrease, here potential gradually decreasing, electric potential decreasing, so electric field will also be less, and it will be towards the decreasing potential. That means its direction will be towards this. Clear? And last one is no two equipotential surface can intersect each other. That means it cannot intersect with it. It cannot intersect with it. Like this way. Suppose this is a equipotential surface. Its potential is 10 volt, and this is another equipotential surface. Its potential is 20 volt. This is a equipotential surface. This is a equipotential surface. If these two intersect, so what will be the potential at this point? Potential at this point, it cannot be calculated, and so no two equipotential surfaces intersect. No two equipotential surfaces intersect. Clear? So in equipotential surfaces no work will be done. In equipotential surfaces electric field will be perpendicular. In equipotential surfaces the distance between two equipotential surfaces is inversely proportional to the electric field. Where distance is less, electric field is more. And equipotential surfaces tell the direction of the electric field. Electric field will be towards the decreasing electric potential. And last one is equipotential surfaces cannot intersect each other. Equipotential surfaces cannot intersect each other. If they intersect, then we cannot calculate, we cannot say what will be the electric potential at this point and at this point. Clear? And there is also some others equipotential surfaces. We will draw this like this. Suppose electric field is uniform like this way. These are electric field. In this case, equipotential surface will be like this. This is the equipotential surface. Clear? So, up to this today. Bye.